This box might look brown, simple, pale, but I promise you inside it is a completely different story. It is a lot of goodness. Welcome, Maz here. I hope you're having a splendid day. It has been too long ago since I uploaded a video. What is better than to start it off again with a new set of wheels for the 30th anniversary MX5. So today we will unbox the new wheels then, and unfortunately we will not be able to mount them in today's video because I need to get tires mounted on them, and I have the Yokohama AO52's 215/45 ready to go, but the new wheels are these are the new wheels. They're so beautiful. I can't barely speak at the moment. So these are the Desmond Regamasters Evo 2. We will get to the history behind these wheels, and we'll talk about the specifications, and also I will talk a little bit about the packaging and what's included. And if we start with some of the specifications on the wheels I have chosen then, so these are MX5 ND specs, so they are 17 times 8, so 17 obviously in diameter and 8 inches in width, and these are ET38, so not as they don't poke out as much as the TC4s, the Advan TC4s which I had before. Those were ET35 17 times 8. Oh, that was nice. That was a Lambo. Well, anyway, that's the way it is. And these are forged wheels, and they do weigh only 6.9 kilograms, which is very light. If I remember it correctly, the Advan TC4s were 7.7 kilos or 7.8, and these are 6.9. And the wheels we have on the MX5, which are forged Rays wheels, I think those are also somewhere around 6.8, 6.9. I can't really remember. But obviously then these are wider than the OEM tires or wheels. The OEM wheels are 17 times 7 inches. Looking at the wheels, obviously they are white, and it might be a bit of a crazy mix with a orange car then, but I think it will be a nice addition to the overall experience of the car as such. And I believe these do come in different colors. I will not talk about all of them because I don't want to misinform you with regards to namings, etc. And also these do come in a variety of sizes. And these wheels originally were designed and still are designed and owned by Desmond Wheel Company, but up until I think it was between 1995 and 2002, Desmond Wheel Company then designed these wheels, and the manufacturing, the forging took place in Russia, but I think they stopped with that production there in 2002. And some of you might be familiar with a company called Spoon. So there's a wheel which is quite similar to this. The designer was the same for both wheels, and the Spoon SW388 is a similar wheel which got very popular by the Honda boys and girls, and that wheel also lives on and is manufactured in the same facilities which these wheels are manufactured in, and it's in TWS production line then, so Tanesia, I hope I pronounced that correctly. They are one of the largest forging or wheel forging companies then, and they have been doing, and I don't know if they still do, but to Formula 1, Le Mans cars, etc. So both these two wheels then are being manufactured in that production facility, and I believe the production for the Evo restarted again late 2018. So from 2002 to 2018, I don't think these wheels were then produced at all. And the first version then, which was only called the Evo, had a little bit different styling, and those are like OG old school wheels, which are hard to get and quite expensive as well for being used wheels then. So that is a little bit about the history. And if we take a look at the wheel design itself, it is a, how should I say, classic wheel design with 5 larger spokes. We have nerd knuckles here, as you can see, for minimizing tire slippage. Obviously this car is not a high horsepower car. I don't think we might need that for that purpose, but if we do go hard on the corners, we will see. And speaking of cornering then, so I will be mounting Yokohama AO52 tires in a couple of days. So unfortunately I cannot show these on the car because we don't have the tires, so I can't fit them. So I will be running 215/45 AO52s on these then. And then looking a little bit more on the design cues, we do have some cuts that have been made in the spokes themselves, and I would assume these are for weight saving purposes, that this has been done, that they have milled those out. And looking at where it will sit against the hub, we have some additional cutouts as well to save some more weight. And also the center bore size on these wheels are 65 millimeters. So I do have hub rings here. I don't know if you can see it. I have one already here. This is a 65.1 down to 54.1, which is the hub size on the MX5 ND and ND2, and this fits really snug and nicely. And turning the wheel around again, I will put a picture here. I don't this kit then, it comes with a sticker package if you want, so in different colors. I believe the ones I got are red, so we have a sticker that goes on the lip on opposite sides, and the ones I got are in red. And then we also have a sticker here that says Desmond, and on the Evo 2 we do have a sticker that says Evo, and the V in the Evo is red as well. But as I don't have any red color on the car, so I have actually opted for getting a set of custom stickers, which are being produced, and I have not got them yet, so we'll see when I will mount those. So those, the ones that will be on the lip here, will be in orange, and the V in Evo will also be orange, and I think that will complement the setup we have here really nicely. And usually then I would be ceramic coating new wheels before mounting them on the car or mounting tires on them, but as we don't have the stickers yet, I don't want to ceramic coat these and then apply stickers to a ceramic coated surface. So we'll have to do with what we got, and I will have to clean them a little bit more as they are white then. So that is that with regards to the specifications and some of the looks. And also included in the kit we do get valves, but I will be using OEM TPMS sensors. Hopefully those will fit, we will see. But I have got 4 new ones on the bench over there, so that will be mounted as well. Next, I just wanted to briefly talk about a little bit about the packaging and how low-key it is with regards to how not so low-key the wheels are. So the packaging in which the wheels do come in is not that impressive, I have to say. It's not the sturdiest boxes in the world, but the wheels came undamaged, unscathed, and the boxes came clean, so no issues as such. And just having a look on the boxes themselves, so we do have a large Regamaster Evo sticker, and here it actually says high quality European dignity. And I guess that is a throwback to when these were then designed in Europe, and the Japanese manufacturers were seeing European manufacturing, etc., as high quality and high standards, hence why we have high quality European dignity. And we do also have a sticker on the other side as well, which is giving us the specifications of the wheel. So we have the size, we have the color, we have the inset, we have the PCD, a number of lug holes then, and I forgot to mention, obviously it's a 4x100 on the MX5 ND and ND2, and also the center bore is 65 millimeters in diameter, and the date for which when the wheels were produced. And looking inside, we do have some reinforcements that would then sit around the wheels as so to protect the rim, and we do have a plastic bag covering the wheels, and we also have a thin foam cover as well, which is not seen here. And also on the bottom here we do have a valve for each wheel then, and then I also do have the sticker package as well. And what we do also get is a, I don't know if this is a manual or specification sheet, which is in Japanese only. So yeah, if you know Japanese, then good, otherwise no. So that is that what with regards to the packaging. And also, as you can see, we do have some reinforcements then on the bottom as well to protect the wheels. I also want to give a big shout out to Jeff at Desmond Wheels EU. So Jeff is the sole distributor of Desmond Wheels here in Europe, and he resides in UK, and he hooked me up with this set then. And Jeff is a super customer centric person. I've been pinging him when he has been on vacation, Saturdays, Sundays and evenings. And I'm not saying you should do that, but if you do, I bet he will answer. He's a very service oriented person, so I think you will have an enjoyable experience talking to him with regards to these wheels or JDM in general, as he has been around the JDM scene for quite some time. So I just wanted to give Jeff a shout out, and do reach out to him on Instagram or Desmond Wheel EU's website then, and you will get treated well. So I can't wait to get these on, but to just give you an idea, I think it will look fantastic, and I believe I will be the first one having these wheels on the 30th anniversary. Obviously I haven't seen all 30th anniversaries, but I think nevertheless I will be the only one in Sweden, and it would be a fantastic combination. So hopefully once I have the tires mounted and we have the wheels mounted on the car, I can do a separate video and we will see how the wheels sit with regards to the fitment, and also how the appearance of the car is then. So stay tuned for that. And also, if you did like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and also do remember to subscribe for future content, because as you can see, we have something for the rear here, and in the car over there we have a big package for something for the interior and also for the rear. So stay tuned for that, and also do contact or reach out to Jeff if you're interested for a set of Rega Masters, not only for your MX5 or ND, but if you have any other car and you can see what fitments that are out there with regards to the specifications and what car you have done. So give Jeff a ping and he will help you out. But with that said, I'll be seeing you on the next one.